Hi there, my name's Nicole and I work for WISER, which is the West of Ireland Sexuality Education Resource. Normally around this time of year we come out to sixth classes and have a talk about sexuality education and relationships in their classes. Unfortunately this year, for all sorts of reasons, we haven't been able to do that. So lots and lots of sixth class people have missed out on having these conversations about relationships and sexuality, which is an important thing to start talking and thinking about when you're growing up. So this tutorial that you're going to look at now is about relationships. We're going to talk about friendships, we're going to talk about boyfriend and girlfriend relationships, and we're going to also look a little bit at red flags in relationships, which is when you think things shouldn't be like this, or you just have a feeling inside you that maybe things aren't quite right. We're going to talk a little bit about what you do when you feel that way, but the most important thing to do is to find an adult that you can trust to have a talk to and to let them know about those feelings or anything that's happening that's worrying you. Often that adult is a parent or a caregiver, but it could be another family member, a teacher, or a neighbour. And remember, if the first person you talk to isn't very helpful, you can always talk to somebody else and see if that helps. Now, we're going to get onto the tutorial. So I hope that you enjoy watching these videos and having a think about some of the questions, and I'll be here to say goodbye again at the end.